In this section, we're going to talk about the moving and additivity principles and how they can help us to find the area of different shapes. So often shapes in real life are not easy, clean rectangles, as we have seen in the last section of this course. So we can use some principles to help us to solve more complex problems where we want to find the area of complex shapes. The first one is the moving principle, and I kind of have it illustrated here. So the moving principle has to do with rigid transformations. So rigid transformations of shapes. So all that means is we are going to subdivide our shape into more simple shapes, and then we are going to move that shape, that part of the shape, without changing its size or shape. So that's what the rigid part is about in rigid transformation. So we're going to just move it and not change its size or shape. And when we do that, its area will stay the same. So here, for example, we have this weird looking kind of shape. It says it's the area of a patio. And what we can do is, as is drawn here, we can cut this curvy piece off. And as it so happens, if we drag it down here, it fits exactly into this curvy piece of the patio. Doesn't always work that way, but in this case it does. And so now we have a perfect rectangle, and we can just use our formulas for finding the area of a rectangle to calculate the area of the shape. So the moving principle allows us to cut off a piece of the shape and move it to another place so that it makes it easier for us to calculate the area of a shape.